Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to curve text in PowerPoint. So as you can see here, I'm in PowerPoint. I have a document here with just one sheet and just a basic text, how to curve text in PowerPoint. Now, how do you do this? All you have to do once you're inside PowerPoint, you want to ensure that if you would like to add your text, all you have to do is just simply click on the insert and you can easily add a text box wherever you want. And as you can see, I just add a little text box here and I can type whatever I want. I can move it around and I can type whatever I want. However, I don't need this current text box because I already have this one here. Now, to curve this text, now all you have to do is just click on the tab that says shape format. All you have to do is just simply click the drop down here that says text effects and you want to go down to transform. You have a bunch of different options here that you can choose from, quite a lot. Let's choose, for example, the first one, and as you can see here, the text is a little bit curved. Now if this is not curved enough for you, you can always go ahead and adjust it the way you want. So to make it more curved, you just need to pull it down towards the bottom. So the more you bring it down, the more the text get curved. So that's how you basically curve the text, and you can bring the sides as well to your liking the way how you actually want that. So by adjusting it, this is going to basically curve the text to your liking. So go ahead and play around with it, guys. As you can see, it's more curved now, and that's how you can easily go ahead and curve text in PowerPoint. So guys, if you're looking for a way how to curve text in PowerPoint, this is how you do it. You can always go ahead and change styles, font, and so forth with your text afterwards. But this is how to curve text in PowerPoint. Really hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.